As technology continues to advance, the amount of data we collect during a project can become overwhelming. Let's look at some of the new tools Trimble Access has introduced to make it easier to work with a lot of data. In this complex project, there is a large BIM model and multiple scans. We need to inspect the vertical conformance of a column in the model, but there's too much data getting in the way. First, we will hide the scans. But the large BIM model is still obscuring the columns I'm interested in. We can use features in the Layer Manager to hide some of the model. I'll use the new Hide feature to hide the objects blocking the view, and once I can see the columns I want, I will use the Show Only feature to isolate the columns and remove everything else. Next, we need to isolate the scan data for the area around the column. Let's tap the Rectangle Select tool to change it to the new Polygon Select tool. Using this tool, we can tap an irregular shape around the scan data of interest. If I make a mistake, I can tap the Undo button to remove that point and carry on. Once the polygon has been defined, tap Confirm to highlight the selection. Next, let's create a region out of the selected data. Now we can work with only the relevant data and avoid being overwhelmed by the large dataset. Let's perform our scan to surface inspection using the newly created region and the isolated columns. The scan inspection has a lot of noise, with objects in front of the inspection. To tidy this up, we will edit the color bar to make objects outside of tolerance transparent. Now the new scan inspection is much tidier, making it easier to focus on what's important. Using these new tools in Trimble Access, we were able to work effectively with this large dataset. We were able to isolate the relevant data, remove unwanted distractions, and focus on what was important.